Hi guys, this is Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you a little trick that you can try if you got error message C7990 on your Kyocera printer. This error message indicates that the waste toner container is full. So the problem is that the newer Kyocera drum units are designed with the waste toner container built in, and unfortunately the waste toner container doesn't have the service opening or little door to empty the waste toner when it gets full. You could easily empty the waste toner on the older drum units, but these are completely redesigned and you are no longer able to do this. Dealing with the waste toner is always messy, so make sure to use gloves, plastic bags, paper towels, and if necessary use the mask to avoid breathing in the harmful particles. Also, if you're gonna try this, make sure to be aware of this warning message on the drum unit that says to never expose the drum to sunlight or any other intense light. So what we are gonna do is drill a hole somewhere in this area that will allow us to empty the waste toner container. Spade drill bit would be ideal for making this hole, but unfortunately I didn't have it, so I'm just gonna use the biggest regular drill bit available. Make sure to be very careful when you're about to drill through the plastic, and do not let the drill bit to go inside too much to avoid damaging any internal components. Now you should be able to shake out the waste toner through this opening, or else you can try to use a shop vacuum to suck it out of there. And here's all the waste toner I was able to remove from the drum unit. Next, we're going to wipe off the remains of the waste toner and seal the opening. I'm going to be using a very strong construction grade tape to make sure it doesn't come off very easily when I put the drum back into the printer or when the waste toner container gets full next time. And finally, install the drum unit and restart the printer to clear the error message. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.